and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I'm a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one number guessing game in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now, in this project, we'll see that how to build one light switching project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project. Like you check my previous project of JavaScript. So, let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this light switching project in JavaScript over here. Okay, so there you can see in the top there is written like turn the light on and off by clicking the bulb. Okay, so if I just press that, so over here you can see now my picture has been changed and it has been changed into on light. Okay, here you can see that when I'm just pressing, so it is just going off, then when I just press it is just going to on. Okay, here you can see that, and how beautiful it is looking, you can see that. Okay, so there is some of the JavaScript over here, and we will just do that with our brackets text editor. So first of all you have to open that, and over here I've just created these three files, which is called school.html, school.css and school.js. Okay, mean JavaScript. So in the HTML file I have just linked my CSS sheet with the link tag, and over here I have already linked my JavaScript sheet also with script tag. Okay, so I will just comment in my link tag, and over here I will just write my all the codes which I have to write. So first of all I will add h1, and over here I will just go to Google Chrome again, and I will just copy this text which I have just written, and I will just minimize, and I will go to again HTML file and I will paste that. And now when you've done that, just you have to hit save and come over here and write dr text, so it should be in second line. Okay, so when you've done that, just you have to hit save again, come over here, and here you have to define image, and over here you have to write like light off dot png. Okay, and erase this all because we don't need it, like I've telling you. Now when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and now here you have to define image, and now I will define the image of like light on. Okay, so I will write light on dot png, which is my image name, and I will erase this alt again from here because I don't need it. So I will just hit save over here, and now it is done. Just your HTML work has been done, so you have to do your work with your CSS file. So I will just go to my CSS file, and over here I will first of all write this sign over here, and I will write margin, which should be 0 pixel, and here you have to write padding should also be 0 pixel, and here you have to write box sizing. Okay, which is really important to write. I will write box sizing should be border box. Come over here and write justify content in center, so I will just take it to center. Then write over here align items, which should also be in center, and just you have to write over here display flags, so I will write display flags. Then come and write flags wrap should be wrap. Okay, so I will just write in body tag no wrap. Okay, because I just already done this flash wrap in this column. Okay, so I will just first of all write like that, and now when you've done that, just write font size, which should be 12 pixel now, and write font weight, which should be 400. Then come over here and write over here like font family. Okay, so I will just take this font family to like open sans, so I will write open sans comma sans serif. Okay, so like I've telling you, your first letter should be capital over here because we have to just writing our font family. If you don't write first letter big, so it will be just problem for you and your font family will not come. Okay, so I will just come over here and I will add background color, and background color should be white. Now when you've done that, just come and write over here border, which should be 1 pixel solid and white over here. Okay, so I will just write border none, because if the border comes and it is not going, so I will just use this border to none that. Okay, and it will be just changed into white color. So I will come over here and I will write outline none, and now when you've done that, just you have to come over here, and here you have to write now border color. So I will just write border color to white. So when you've done that, just you have to do like that, and now we have done till over here. Just come and write body tag. Okay, so write body tag over here, and write over here like this sign, and here you have to do one thing, just write over here justify content in center. So I will write justify content center, then write align items, so I will just erase that, and write align items in center. And now when you've done that, just you have to come and write over here like justify display of flags. So I will write display flags, then come and write over here border none and outline none. So I will write border none, and write over here outline should also be none. So now when you've done that all, just you have to do like that. Okay, so I will write outline none. So now when you've done that, just you have to come, and here you have to write like border color, which should be white. So I will just change it to white. And now when you've done that, you have to copy this thing which we have just which we have written in the top, and I will paste that over here, and I will just hit save now. And now your CSS work has been also done. Okay, so now we have to do our work with our JavaScript. Okay, so I will just first of all go to my JavaScript file, and now over here I will create over here function tag. Okay, and I will just write this bracket, and over here I will create let function equal document dot query selector, and over here I will come and I will define function tag over here like that. And now just define like that, right? Let over here, which will be body tag, because it is a HTML tag, so I will not write any of the class because it is also not a class, it is a tag of HTML, so I will only write body like that. Okay, so now when you've done that, just you have to go to your school.js again. Now come over here and here you have to write let, and now here you have to write anything which is called over here. Okay, so just come and write over here again h1, so write equal to document dot query selector, and write over here like h1 tag again. So now it is a tag, so I am not defining any of the dot in the starting. So write over here h1 dot add event listener, then come over here and write button comma array, and write over here comma on click function, and in that I will add function. And now when you've done that, write curly brackets, come over here and write over here body dot on click, and write over here button dot function tag, and with that I will add e tag, this should be small e, then write over here dot and write random dot floor tag. Okay, so when you have done that, just you have to write map dot random. Okay, so write random, so write like that. Now when you've done that all, just you have to erase that because now we don't need it. So come and write random dot floor, and write over here math dot length, and write over here function dot e tag again, and with that I will add random and write over here dot floor. So when you have done that, come over here and add floor dot random, and write over here length. Okay, so I will write light over here first of all, then write dot length, and write over here function dot button. Okay, and write over here add email listener again. Okay, so I will add email listener. So now just you have to erase that and only write add, because now it is not any of the space over here, so I will just write add email listener over here. So now here you have to write add email listener, then write dot light function, and with that I will add length function, now write dot button. So now when you've done that, just you have to do like that, just close that, and from here, so now just you have to hit save. When you have done that all, just you have to go to Google Chrome and we will check that out it's working or not. So just go to Google Chrome. So over here you can see now our light switching project has been ready over here. Okay, so here you can see there is written turn the light on and off by clicking the bulb. Okay, so if I just press that, my bulb over here of image, so I will just press that. So over here you can see now it has been changed into another image and it has been on. So if I just press it again, so it is off now. Okay, on off. Okay, here you can see that when I'm just doing, so it is just going again and again. Okay, so I hope you understand that how to build one light switching project in JavaScript, and I hope you also enjoyed this project like you're enjoying more previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice these all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also like you are of Python and HTML and CSS. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.